making spare ribs on the Traeger. Got it from Sam's Club. Right now I'm preparing the dry rub. I've got 2 tablespoons of fresh ground black pepper. I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of celery salt, and 1/2 tablespoon of cayenne black pepper. And I haven't decided if I'm going to put mustard on the spare ribs first and then rub, or just rub. And then it's about 7:30 in the morning right now. I'm going to plan on putting these on at noon. So let the rub sit on the meat for a few hours and then smoke it on 180 for probably 2 hours, maybe about that. Then bump it up, wrapped in foil for maybe another hour or 2 and see how it looks from there. There the seasonings are. Just gotta mix those up with a fork. And we'll be ready to apply to the spare ribs. I don't know if I'm gonna use a fork yet. So far this is working pretty good. As you can see, it's about a cup of seasoning. There you have it. You could add brown sugar to that if you like. A little more sugary flavor. I don't like the sugar flavor, so I'm not going to add it. Pretty simple. So here's the before. Add the seasoning. I'm going to do a little bit to the back as well. I'm actually going to do the back first. I scored the membrane with a sharp knife, and I'm going to add the seasoning. And there's the back side with some seasoning on it. There's the first layer of rub. Decided not to put the mustard on it. I'm going to pat some on the edges and stick it in the fridge for a while. All right, all seasoned up for the day. Going in the fridge. All right, things are getting serious now. Got the Traeger warming up on 180 to smoke. Here's the spare ribs with the, I guess it's like outfitter seasoning. Start to smoke here. Got the 180. Throw some weenies on for my kids while I wait. Slap these on here. It's noon, so hopefully in about 4 hours, 2 hours, I'm gonna check them. See where it goes from there. There we go. That's what they look like now before everything gets going. Pork spare ribs. Out the neighborhood. Fun times. Well, I filled up the hopper just in case. I don't know that's going to use that much to do this, but about an inch shy of being completely full. Smoky. It's been about 10 minutes. 73. Rolling smoke. Just got smoke coming out everywhere. Out the handles, coming up there, chimney. Shooting up the walls. About an hour. Last time I checked it was at 194. It's at 150 now. Smoking pretty good. a touch. There we go, another hour. Very smoky. Been going for 2 hours. Turned up to 275. Another hour. And I'm gonna hopefully wrap them in aluminum foil. The wieners should be done. Let's see how it goes. Time to get the wieners. Call the weenies done. This gotta go a while yet. 4 hours later, hour and a half at 300. Oh yeah, it's time to wrap them up with some foil. Good. Don't forget to cut them up and show you. Please like and subscribe. Well, that's 4 hours of pellets. With aluminum foil. My wife's not going to be home for a few hours. Probably going to tip it down to 250, 225. A little bit here. And let it go for a bit longer. Well, here they are off the grill. It's 5:20. Started about 12:05, 12:10. They sat on there about the last hour at 225. A little bit of smoke, doesn't really penetrate the aluminum, obviously. Just trying to keep the temperature a little bit lower to let them wait till my wife's coming home. Just messaged, she's on her way. So let's get the set for about 10 minutes, and hopefully I remember to take a picture of them when they're done. This is what's left of the 3 racks of ribs. It's just fall apart tender. If you like this video, like and subscribe.